Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to change mouse speed and sensitivity on Windows PC. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first you have to go to your start menu and then look for settings here. You have to search for device, tap this one. Now on the left side, you have to scroll down and tap on the mouse option right here. Click this one. Now go to the right side. Below related settings, tap on this mouse option or additional mouse option. Click this one. Then mouse properties will show up. You have to look for pointer options. Click this one. Now you will see the slider. So use the select pointer speed slider to adjust left for lower sensitivity and right for higher sensitivity. Optionally toggle enhance pointer position. Mouse acceleration, good for precision or gaming if turned off. So basically, that's how easy it is to change mouse speed and sensitivity on Windows PC. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.